After the overwhelming response to the Dusty Disco Drum series, longtime friend and collaborator Demi Gods drops his French touch-inspired sample pack. No need to dig. This pack serves up 100 Parisian-inspired, pitch-locked disco breaks, tops, grooves, and loops, all in 24-bit quality, curated from recent vinyl hunting adventures across the globe. Every sample has been meticulously rebuilt to specific tempos and remastered at 44.1 kHz without quantizing or stretching, preserving the raw, authentic feel of the original tracks. Expect more live drums, percussive grooves, machine funk, and unique fills, ready to drop straight into your DAW, MPC, or DJ sets. Elevate your disco and house productions with fresh textures and tops, reloop, filter, resample, sidechain, and repitch, an essential sample pack for any producer.